Newborn Solutions is about quick detection of infections without needles. And that is because there are certain infections occurring in superficial body fluids that may kill in hours if not detected early. But this is usually challenging because symptoms may be very unspecific, and the current methods to detect the presence or absence of the disease are highly invasive and have several complications associated.
Our focus is infant meningitis, a very aggressive infection that kills 10% of patients and leaves 30% of survivors with lifelong disabilities. Infants in particular are at higher risk because their defense system is still under development and have little communication capabilities to express the disease, which may present with only a fever. The current method to detect the presence or absence of meningitis is a lumbar puncture to draw a sample of the cerebrospinal fluid, which is invasive and difficult in this population. That is why it takes 2-3 users and 1 hour to be performed, and explains why up to 50% of them fail, often leading to preventive and necessary antibiotic treatment. And pediatricians go through all this even knowing that 95% of babies will not have meningitis, because a single case detected justifies all this low performance, which costs European hospitals €1.5 billion every year. So the problem is that pediatricians have to do a comprehensive screening for early detection of meningitis in infants with the invasive and low performance lumbar puncture. Our solution is an ultrasound-based handheld probe that tremendously alleviates these complications by simplifying the procedure down to placing the probe on the fontanelle of the baby, pushing the button, and detecting the infection as indicated by an elevated white blood cell count in the cerebrospinal fluid. We are transforming the way meningitis will be diagnosed by making screening easy, quick, cost-effective, and improving health care by reducing unnecessary antibiotic treatment and hospital costs. The global infant meningitis market is 1 billion, and the global superficial body fluids infections within our scope is 40 billion euros. And because our product is first in class, it has only indirect competing products far away from satisfying the need. Our business model is based on sales through global distributors of the device and consumables in the short term and of the data in the mid-term. We keep R&D and know-how in-house and protect generated IP, while we escalate the impact of our platform technology by entering the different therapeutic applications. Our advances are promising since we have shown feasibility on patients, and now we are developing a functional prototype for a sensitivity specificity study. In parallel, we will industrialize our prototype, reach agreements with USA hospitals to extend the clinical validation in that market, and protect the newly generated IP. All this with the objective of getting closer to market and validate our product benefit to future customers. That is why EIT funding fits so well within our plan, because we could accelerate activities that fit our objective. We are the team to accomplish these objectives, and we'll be happy to hear from you.